Welcome guys in the complete JavaScript tutorial. In this video we will continue talking about the functions that already exist in JavaScript. And this video we will talk about an important function called search. So search, basically we can search for a word that if it exists in a sentence, for example, okay? And if it exists, we return the position of its first letter, okay? And if not exist, the function return -1, okay? This is just a simple example. For example, if we have a variable name called hello world, for example, I want to console log name dot search word. It will give me 5 because why? Because this variable name contain the word word, okay? So we will return the position of W, the first letter of this word, W, okay? If we search for the word go, and this sentence doesn't contain this word go, so the function automatically return -1, okay? So we will go very quick to test it. So I will go to google.com and I will use the same website online. We test just a quick function, so I will not create a new file, okay? So here I will just close up this and close up this also and increase the characters and delete all this. Here I will create a variable. I will call it str, for example, hello or hi, how are you? Okay, now we will search for a word. I want to search for a word that exists in the str, okay? So I will just console log. I want to search for a word that exists in the variable str. So I would use str dot, so what the problem here? Yes, str dot search, and here I want to search, for example, for this word here, R. So if it exists, I will return the position of the first letter here. Okay, so I will type R, and here I will close this, and I will close this. Okay, console log. So I type console log wrong, like that. And I have 7. Why? Because 7 is the position of the first letter of this word R in the str. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the position of R. So now imagine that I want I will search for a word doesn't exist. For example, go. For example, I have -1. Okay, so actually we can use this function to verify, to validate if this word exists in this str. Okay, so this function is will be very beneficial into checking a character inside a string, and we can use it in forms, for example, and in Node.js, for example. So don't worry if you don't understand that, but this function you can find it if you understand how this function works in JavaScript. You will find it in C#, in PHP, in Java. So it's very important to understand those type of functions. If you have any question, any problem, just ask me. I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you, and see you in the coming video.